Got 100-mile-an-hour winds coming through. The power is off. Been flickering for the last 10 minutes. It's 10 after 10 Sunday morning. Maybe this is where the power stays off. But about 100-mile-an-hour winds going through right now. Every sound you hear, it's scary because you think the house is coming apart. I love it. Sitting in my car with the wipers on. It's the only way I can see out here. I'm in my car because nothing happened in my house. It's just dark in there. One corner of my fence fell over, so that's a repair job I'm going to have to do. 1:30 p.m. peephole cam. Two p.m. peephole cam. Well, it's moving along, and the winds are now coming out of the southeast, which is good. It's parallel with Miami at Naples, so this is the worst of it.